Hi, welcome to your 10th Android tutorial. So today in this tutorial we can see how to edit main.xml file and also how to edit this existing Java file. Okay, so we needed to create a new XML and new Java file, but right now I can going to edit that existing file itself. Okay, so first of all in main.xml file what happens, we will be having some text views over here. Okay, so this is the output of this existing project right now. Okay, so which we have already seen in the previous tutorial. Okay, so the next thing is here I'm going to remove these text views. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one, and over here in the main.xml file, and I will select this both startup file. Okay, so so in the previous tutorial what we have done, we are executing this application without an XML file. Okay, so this is the hello welcome to the world of Android. This is the output that we have seen over here in this emulator. Okay, right now I can make some alteration to this program. Over here in main.xml what I can do, so I am deleting everything without linear layout. Okay, so here switch to your graphical layout. Okay, you find nothing over here, so this is totally empty. Okay, so I'm going to create one text view already. Okay, so how to create a text view you can see here. So just type less than symbol, so you'll be getting so here. Okay, text view. Alright, so this is the text view just was created. So switch to your graphic layout. What happens, so you must supply layout width and layout height. It was simply displaying over here. Okay, because we are not it does not have any view right now. Okay, so we need to specify so how much width that this text view and is going to accommodate in this emulator. Okay, see I can specify so Android. Okay, so you need to simply specify Android layout width. Okay, and we'll have a fill underscore parent. Okay, so I'm filling this complete text view in emulator. Okay, so towards horizontal. Okay, so in horizontal fashion I'm going to fill this text view. Okay, so I can make it vertical. So instead of horizontal I can make it vertical. Okay, so my components will be arranged in a vertical fashion right now, and I'm going for Android colon. So I'm taking height right now. Okay, again I'm going for not fill parent, wrap underscore content. Okay, so next thing, so save this one. So come to this graphic layout. Still it does not have any text over there, but the text view is created with empty text. Okay, so this is the indication. So this blue highlighted that rectangle box is over here. So this has selected the text view that was just now created. Okay, so we need to put some string to that text view. Okay, so Android colon text. I'm just simply specifying text. Enter your name. Okay, so I'm taking that enter your name. That's it. Save this. Okay, so go to your graphic layout. So you can see that enter your name right now. Okay, so right now I'm going to execute this one. So execute this application. It was not exchanged. Okay, so what happens because the startup is starting right now over here, so the startup will be having the text view which will be set to this text, and the startup does not have any main.xml. Okay, so we need to remove this text right now in the startup. Okay, to changes we need to update the changes that are made to main.xml to the emulator, and we need to access this main.xml in startup.java. So that's why. So to get that view in your emulator, so we need to remove these two. Okay, so I can remove this two statement, and I'm going to go for set content view. Okay, so content view I can set this to r dot layout dot main. Okay, so this is the content view I'm setting right now. So save it, okay, execute it once again. Alright, okay, so I'll be having the output enter your name which was given in this main.xml file. This is the text, okay. So right now this text is a little bit smaller one over here, okay. So this text is a little bit smaller, enter your name over here. So that's why I'm going to increase the size of this text, Android column text size I'm going, so I will take around some 15 dp density pixels. Okay, dp means density pixels. So run this application. You can see a little changes over here, and we can see directly in graphic layout itself. Okay, so we can see the changes over here. So not much changes are happened to this one right now, and with the same output. Okay, so I can make a little bit bigger, even a little bit bigger. 30. I can take 30. Okay, say this. Okay, go to your graphic layout. Alright, so it is a little bit bigger right now. Okay, now the next thing is I want to put some text over here after asking enter your name. So this is just like a J label of your string. Okay, so it's a label, it is not going to do anything, it was simply displaying this character. Okay, so right now I can use a text field to get the text. Okay, to edit the text or to enter the text. Okay, so the text field will be used by the name edit text over here. Okay, so we got actually the edit text control in our text to add the text. Okay, so I can go for edit text control. Okay, so over here edit text. Alright, so close this one. Right now I'm going for Android colon layout width again fill underscore parent. Okay, so fill parent and Android colon layout underscore height equals to wrap underscore content. Alright, okay, so this and go to your graphic layout. Alright, you can see that edit text over here. Okay, in which you can put some text into that edit text. Okay, so run this. You can see the same output over here. Alright, we got the output. Okay, so we can put some text over here. I am going to put something like ASTF, something like this one. Okay, so I will delete these things. Okay, get back to your program right now. So main.xml file. Alright, see in this output what happens, this edit text is simply empty. Okay, so I want to give some hint to the user. Okay, so for that I need to go for Android colon hint. Okay, enter your name. Okay, so this is a hint to the user, the program user. Okay, so the hints are used to give the indications or hints to the clients who are using our applications. Okay, so instead of int, if you go for text, what happens, the text will be permanently fixed to your what actually that edit text. Okay, so hint will be a simple blur message which will be hidden whenever we stop typing into the edit text. Okay, it will automatically hide itself. Okay, so the next thing is, so my next control is, so I can go for button. Okay, so button and over here Android colon layout width equals to fill underscore parent. Okay, Android colon layout height equals to wrap underscore content. Okay, so again Android colon text equals to submit. Can go submit. Save this. Okay, go for a graphic layout. So we'll be having this output right now on your emulator. Okay, we're gonna go for one more control, that is called again edit text. Edit text Android colon layout width equals to fill underscore parent. Okay, Android colon layout height equals to wrap underscore content. Okay, so this is what actually the another edit text. Okay, so next go for your graphic layout. So you can see this output. Okay, so this output will be appeared in your emulator also. I can run this application right now. So your application will be loaded into the emulator. Alright, it was loaded right now. Okay, so I can put my name over here. Okay, so I'm going to press submit. So still this submit is not going to take any action over here. Okay, so if you need your submit to be take any action and to display this message or in this text box, so we need to go for the events. Okay, to work with events we must go for what actually the Java application of Android. Okay, so we need to access these controls in startup, and we can actually define some events to these controls in the startup.java. Okay, so we can see that how to access these controls in startup, and how to give what actually this click event for this one means. This event is nothing but on click event in the Android application. So how to handle that on click event, and what are the tasks that need to be handled on click event. Okay, so we can discuss those concepts in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial.